Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. You guys are doing an awesome job of subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, commenting on my videos, and also sharing my videos on social media. So I like that. It helps me grow and it helps me also to develop my channel and also me as a person. So in this short video I just want to look at a drop of the daily percentage of TRONEX. As we can see here, it is now at 57.7%. By the time I went to bed, it was at 78%. So from 78%, it has dropped up to 57.7%. And there can only be two reasons as to why this percentage dropped. Reason number one, people were making a lot of massive withdrawals, which is okay because here you're free to do whatever you want with your money. And another thing also maybe people might have panicked. We are seeing the thing was overgrowing and they said this thing can't grow like this, let me just take out my profits. So that's that. So if we are to look at its growth on tronscan here we can see that the funds reduced. But look at the transactions, 1.2 million transactions just a very few days. So this is the internal transactions here. These are the payouts from the contract. So you can see all these are withdrawals. All these are withdrawals without even within a short period of time. If you look at the contract balance here, so you can see how it has been growing massively here. Then within the last 3 hours, it did a drop. But this drop is so small, it shouldn't scare you guys. And I know people are going to, it is going to go back again. People are going to add in more Tron. So, as we know that the daily percentage is determined by the number of Tron in the contract. So I'm sure this trend is going to continue going up. So it's not going to be very difficult to see this percentage here going back again. So within 3 hours, I've so far managed to accumulate 5,563 Tron from my deposit of 55,000. So I can collect this. In fact, let me first collect this rent here. So that one is collected to my wallet. And if you look at the Telegram channel here, people are active here. Actually, I've been following what people are doing here. As you can see, this one is saying, this one is asking, is it legit? This one is saying, don't be like Bank of Tron, let's keep the family, help each other, don't panic, invest and reinvest. So this is what I've been talking. So people were investing and reinvesting. So the number of the amount of funds in the system, that's why it went up. So as people were only withdrawing and few were investing, these funds started reducing. So that also the daily percentage also reduced. So this is like a 20% because it's 20% drop, which is not bad, but also significant to what people had in mind, that the percentage was just increasing. So if we are to there is a comment which I show here. This one is asking people, reinvest guys, do not panic guys, it is normal, invest and reinvest is the key. Now this one is just asking why the contract bonus just went down. he or she doesn't know what the reason as to why. So for those who don't know why the reason goes, why the contract bonus goes down, is that this thing, the code, its code was coded in such a way that the contract bonus increases with increasing funds in the system. So as funds increase in the system, also the contract bonus increases. But when funds reduce in the system, also the contract bonus reduces or it goes down. So this one is saying I have reinvested with all the profits as I have faith in it. So it is normal. It is normal. And I'm also going to do some reinvestment because I want this available, this total invested to reach 100k. So that's my aim. You guys see this. Within a short 1 minute of withdrawing, I've so far accumulated 58 Tron. So I'm not worried about this. Whether this percentage also goes back to 20%, I'll still hold into the system because this system, I think it is a blessing from the heavens. And if you are in crypto and you're not in TRONEX, I don't know what you're doing. Don't sit on your Tron, just bring it here. It makes you more Tron. That's if we have to look at the calculator here. The calculator now, let me first put in, like, if I'm to put in 10,000, how many days will it take to get my capital back? It will take 2 days. As you can see here, on day 1 you would have accumulated 5,730. So on day 2 you are at 11,000. On day 4 you've already doubled your Tron. So there is faith here. Don't panic, because I know this percentage here is making people to panic. Don't panic to sell or to take away your Tron. Just keep it here, and you can have a strategy. You can withdraw and take in back 50%. That would have been healthy also. So don't withdraw all of it and you sit on it. You're sitting on your money. It's not making you money. Just reinvest some of it. It makes you more money here. So I think that's all I had in this video. I'll see you guys in another video.